everybody you come in contact with is a lead.
So, is there such thing as a low quality lead? This lead sucks. This lead sucks. What the heck does that even mean? Well, in reality, what we believe to be is that an unquality lead means no lead at all. Like, if you're not getting leads, that's unquality related. That is like you're not doing anything for your business. So if you do have a lead, whether it's a yes or a no type of lead, you're still getting a response, right? So then that means that you're able to take a no to a yes, or a yes to a call, or a yes to show them the opportunity, or yes, let's move on to the next step. A no could be a possibility to actually tap into their network. They might not be in alignment to what it is that you're offering, and that's fine. Just like you're not in alignment to all the bajillion different things that are happening in the world, right? But there's always that one person that will connect you to 5 people, or there's that one person that can actually help you see things in a different light. So don't give up on quality leads, don't give up on leads in general. It's part of your business, it's part of the growing pains of a business that's actively running on a daily basis. Focus on actually improving on yourself, because once that other person calls, that one lead says yes, let's hop on a call, you better be ready, because if you're not, then you're the unqualified lead.
You might assign that person and say this is a bad lead because maybe they didn't have the money, or whatever reason that they mentioned or that you believe that they shared, but that's not necessarily the case. We never believe that price is an actual obstacle. You just might be offering the wrong particular product or service for that specific person. It doesn't mean they're a bad lead. It just means I need to change up my offer, right? Maybe they're interested in completely a different type of service or product to be the solution for them to actually invest the money that they're saying that they don't have, right? So you want to make sure not only that you have a variety of different offers, products, and services, but that you're not saying, okay, this is a bad lead, this lead doesn't have the money, right? Because you are cutting yourself off from working with so many more people if you just looked at it a different way and say everybody is a lead, right? Maybe like Isabel was mentioning, if they're not the one, I'm sure they know, and they have a network of hundreds of people that you can ask them once you build that relationship of, hey, who do you know? I know you're not the one, but who else do you know that would be interested, right? And getting those, and then it becomes a great lead. And so having that mindset and that clarity of, hey, everyone's a lead, everybody buys, right? Then you will actually be able to actually produce the solutions to get you the results you're looking for, instead of all of a sudden just having a bad attitude and saying, well, they said they didn't have the money, I'm getting bad leads, or all these different types of things that maybe you say or maybe you hear. So coming in with the right attitude and understanding that everybody you come in contact with is a lead.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle.